We got Dr. Kamalpreet Singh, and he's going to come up and give you a word. We're going to get those songs, we're going to get the march. Don't worry about the rain. Nobody's washing away. We're going to wash away the filth from these streets. We'll give it up for Kamalpreet Singh.
Thank you. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hello everyone. So, I'm so happy to see all of you here, all the warriors for truth, freedom and health. I'm here to show you support, and you all know this for true, that you all are a beacon of light for all those around you who are living the life of darkness. Those who do not have the courage to fight for their rights. And you know what? When you show up here, each of you, when you raise your voice, it gives courage to others to speak the same. So this is not a one man's movement. This is a movement for a common goal that is about saving our children, our next generation, the future of humanity. So I think we all must keep this common goal in our mind and stay united and stay in love, because they want us to hate each other and you don't let them win. Okay? So my name is Kamalpreet Singh, and I have been coordinating and interviewing medical doctors from around the world. So today I want to share a small event which we got last week from India Medical Team Network of influenza-like experts. So this team, which I am a part of, has cured more than 60,000 registered COVID positive patients. Of course, you know that this is based on a faulty PCR test. Yeah. So, but we have cured them, and the interesting thing is that not a single medicine was given to those patients, not a single medicine. And how did that happen? By giving them a diet which boosts their immune system, keeping them on a fasting, on juices, on diet which is full of vitamins and minerals in natural form, right? And then the interesting part is, when the patients came in our centers, they were not asked to wear the mask, they were not given the sanitizers, they were not separated from each other, and the best part was, when they entered, we welcomed them with a hug. And there was not even a one mortality. None of them died. Not a single money was taken from the patients, and not a single medicine was used. So what we came to the conclusion was, mask and isolation kills, love and compassion heals. So now they want to try to divide us on the basis of, they have been using it, football clubs, race, colors, religions, and now the vaccinated and the unvaccinated. But we do not have to do that. Of course, the media would try to make a hatred between for those who are unvaccinated in the minds of the vaccinated, and the vice versa could happen. But we are fighting a battle which is spiritual, which is psychological. So you have to be very steadfast in your spiritual regimes. So I would give you an example from my 10th master's life. When he was surrounded by enemies on all four sides, he did not have an option. He had to fight the battle. And he said that if all the methods of fighting injustice have failed, then you can raise the sword. But he made sure that when he took the arrows, those arrows were dipped in gold. Do you know why? When the arrow hit the opponent's armyman, that armyman died on the battlefield, then his family could pay for his funeral rites and the savings could help them. And if that armyman got injured, then he could pay for his treatment. So this is the compassion that we need to have for everyone. So do not get into the ego trap. Love each other. United we stand, divided we fall. Where we go one, we go all. Thank you so much. Keep fighting for truth, freedom and health. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's give it up for Kamalpreet Singh.